Hello everybody, welcome to the 10th video of my creative writing channel. In this video, I will discuss essays, their types, differences between them and the process of writing them. This video is divided into two parts. In this part, I will discuss narrative and descriptive essays. Part 2 will be on expository and persuasive essays. Essay is a piece of writing that is related to some specific topic. Essays are classified based upon the purpose, content, theme, pattern, and style of writing they follow. Four major classifications of essays are narrative, descriptive, expository, and persuasive. All of these are written for different purposes and fulfill different objectives. Coming to the first type, narrative essays are written in first person. They follow the pattern of a story. They have a plot with sequence of events. Descriptive essays are written in third person. Here a story or plot is not necessary, but things are required to be expressed in proper order. Expository essays use facts and figures to describe topics. Bare facts are presented in such types of essays. Persuasive essays contain arguments for or against a particular topic. Topic selection is most important. An interesting and engaging topic forces readers to read your essay. A well thought out plot is also necessary and can do wonders. Main ingredients of narrative essay are startup, main body, climax, and conclusion. In startup, you introduce the topic to the reader. Keep this section concise and to the point. This is followed by main body, where you narrate events according to your worked out plot. Once your essay reaches its zenith, comes the climax. Climax must have certain twists and turns to keep reader engaged and surprised. After climax, you wind up your essay by writing a conclusion. Here is an example of a narrative essay written by a person about his first day at school. As you can see, it starts with a startup or introduction to the topic. This is followed by main body, where actual events are presented in detail. A small section is shown here as an example. Moving further, the climax part of the essay is presented. It contains a little twist and element of surprise. Lastly, essay is concluded with writer's thoughts about the impact of this day in his whole life. Writing a descriptive essay. Talking about descriptive essays, topic selection here is as important as in narrative. So write down important points and the sequence to be presented in the form of an outline. Descriptive essays have a starting section, main body, and a summary or conclusion. Similar to narrative essays, starting section is used to introduce topic to the reader and familiarize him or her with the subject matter. Main body is created with the help of outline created earlier by detailing and elaborating each point. In summary section, essays with important points from main body presented in concise form along with concluding remarks from the writer. An example of descriptive essay is shown here. It starts with an introductory section that outlines the objective of the essay. This is followed by main body, where writer describes in detail all the information related to the topic. Remember, only a part of main body is presented here and not the total essay. Coming to the last section, essay is concluded with some suggestions by the writer to sort out the problem discussed in the detail section. Hopefully, you have been able to gain some insight into essay writing and patterns it follows. In my next video, I will describe in detail expository and persuasive essays and provide you essential guidelines in this regard. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to remain updated about upcoming videos. Thank you.